So firstly, I washed my chicken with white vinegar. So you have to wash your chicken. You can use any citrus fruit like orange or lime to wash it, but I only had white vinegar, so this is what I used to wash my chicken before I seasoned it. So this is my seasoned chicken. What I use to season it, I use cayenne pepper, easy spice chicken seasoning, some sweet pepper, garlic, and a little black pepper. So that's all I use to season my chicken. Chicken has been soaking for some hours now. It's good to, let the seasoning soak in your chicken before you fry it. So what I'll be using to fry my chicken is some flour mixed with cornmeal. So you're going to just mix this up, the flour and the cornmeal. Well, why I use the cornmeal is because it gives it this golden color and this crisp that you need in your chicken. You can use egg also, but I'm not using any egg because I might heat up the food tomorrow and I just don't like egg overall. So I'll be using this to create a coat over my seasoned chicken. So let's go. Coating your chicken, make sure that it is not, padded with flour. So you see, this flour is good enough. So see, this is not a lot on it. Perfect coating. So I'll do this to the rest of the chicken. My oil is hot and ready. So I'm going to take a piece of the chicken. All right, let me use this piece. And I'm just going to, see? Perfect. So I'll show you when it gets golden brown. These right here, these are from the what's the name, the cornmeal, so don't mind that. I'll show you when it's golden brown. When you fry your chicken, make sure so no oil not drip from your chicken. Cause if oil drip from your chicken, that means you want to go back in at the dirty. You understand what I say? So make sure no oil is dripping from your fried chicken, because when you put on the barbecue sauce and it's just nasty. So just make sure no oil is dripping from your chicken. You see that? You see that? You see that? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish up and then we get right into the other part. Oven should be preheated at 180 degrees. Some person's oven are different, and it depends how fast your oven works. If your oven is very slow, you'll have to like preheat it from an earlier stage. But my oven is pretty fast, so I turned it on during the middle of frying my chicken. So it is currently being preheated at 180 degrees. Almost at the last batch of frying my chicken, so I just greased this pan, which I'm going to be putting my chicken in to go into the oven. I used a big pan because I have a lot of chicken. I'm using a whole chicken, so I'm going to be making the sauce right now for the chicken. So let's go. These are what I use for my sauce. So it's a Kraft sweet honey barbecue sauce and dip, and the Swiss barbecue sauce, hot and spicy. This can be found in any local supermarket. It's made. Also, guys, I melted some butter. Now I am adding my Kraft. That is butter. It look like egg though. So I'm adding my Kraft sweet honey sauce and my barbecue hot and spicy. So it depends on the amount of chicken that you are cooking. That's the amount of sauce that you make. So I'm going to mix this up. I can't mix this on video. So I'm going to mix it up and show you guys. And you can add some sugar to it. This is brown sugar. You can use honey as well, but I rather to use sugar. Honey will give it a more smoother taste though, but it really doesn't matter because I'm going to heat it, so it's going to, And also, you can add a little cayenne pepper to this. Not a lot. Guys, you can also use pepper flakes if you choose. So I'm gonna mix this up and bye. Guys, my chicken is ready. My sauce is ready. My pan is ready. What next? Okay, I'ma show you. Okay, so my chicken looking golden brown and now my sauce ready, everything ready. Yeah, let's go. What you're going to do is you're going to take the chicken and go like that into the sauce. Make sure it is well coated in the sauce. Okay, and then you just put it you just put it on the pan. So I'm going to do this to the rest of them and I'll get back to you. This is the chicken before it goes into the oven. This is coated, but guess what? My sauce done, and them don't go in there yet. See, you know what I do? Country girl style. So you shake up this little water and get the rest out of this, and you pour it in that. This is finished, however, so everything squeezed out of this. So what I'm going to use tomato ketchup. So I'll be adding that into this. I've already started, and then I'll finish coat and I'll show you the end product. The chicken is ready for the oven. So this must be well hot now. So I'm going to be putting, oh Lord, my chicken into the oven. So you'll put this in the oven for about, let me see, about 25 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on how good your oven is and how bad it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave it for about 30 to 25 minutes. So 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. Soon come back. So guys, the chicken is done. Look, the man, scrumptious, beautiful, tasty. So guys, this is your Barbe-Fried chicken. You know. Just order the oven, cooling and all. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want any other cooking videos. Let me know, pranks, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys. Bye.